Thanks to you guys, we have blasted past our original budget of $15,000 and are now at over $17,000. We could not have conceived of this happening. There are so many ideas that we thought we were going to have to leave behind, but now those things are back within our reach. If we are able to hit $20,000 before the campaign ends, then here are the things that we are going to be able to accomplish with the additional funds.
The first thing we would do is we would get more microphones. We have a big cast, bigger than we've ever worked with before. And if every single one of those people are mic'd, that saves us so much time and so much effort.
There are scenes in this film where over 6 people are in one room, all talking, all having one big conversation, and it's really going to save us a lot of time if we're able to just put mics on everybody and then roll camera.
It's no secret that in Ghost Kitchen there's going to be a lot of cooking, and to capture that properly we've designed a lot of high-energy, fast-paced cooking sequences.
All of the action is going to be depicted as high energy and fast-paced, and the only way to capture some of the imagery that we want to get is with a probe lens.
There's no way to really describe what a probe lens is without showing footage. It allows you to film very interesting and dynamic angles that bring you right into the action. You know what? They use it in Apple ads when they zoom in on someone texting and the phone is huge and it's ginormous. I feel like everyone's seen that before.
So we want to do that, but food. I've known about these lenses for a long time, and once we started talking about how stylized and dynamic we wanted these cooking scenes to be, I realized this was the perfect opportunity.
It goes without saying that you guys have brought Ghost Kitchen to reality. It's our job and our duty to you as our audience now to bring it to life for you.
I can't even begin to state how unexpected this is. It's genuinely blowing us all away.
Thank you so much. We are so humbled and so grateful to every last one of you who shared our message, gave us views, commented on our stuff, and have watched us for so many years. Hopefully we are able to deliver a story to you that you want to watch.